Hello, everybody. My name is Melvin, and this is my final for Kinesiology 303 Foundations to Kinesiology. Uh, for my profession, I chose was a physical therapist. Physical therapist is basically an individual that helps either an injured person or an ill person regain their functional mobility and help manage pain. Why I chose to become a physical therapist. Biggest reason why I chose because of the passion I have for this field. From someone having multiple injuries from sports and general activities, physical therapy allows me to have that satisfaction when I see people recover from any injury and get back to the activity they love to do. This field allows me to continue to learn about the human body and gives me the opportunity to meet various kinesiology professionals. Another another reason why I chose is because of the job stability and great pay. Because it's in the medical fields, there's always going to be opportunity for you to have a job right after graduation, and multiple jobs out there are going to be multiple companies out there are going to be looking for you. The field continues to grow because of the baby boomer age. Physical therapists now are even in more demand, and then meeting wonderful people. So, like I mentioned, this field is really close knit and allows people to come together and get really close and collaborate in turn. You know, you get to meet a lot of good people, great people. Job outlook for physical therapists. According to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, employment for physical therapists is projected to grow 18% from 2019 to 2029. In 2019, 258,000 employed physical therapists currently in the United States. Average pay of 89,440 or $43 an hour. So as you could see, this field continues to grow as well as the pay continues to increase because of the education level. Speaking of the education level, this is a grad program. This does require a doctorate degree. So before entrance into the program, they do require a bachelor's degree in any field, can be anything. Uh, Loma Linda University is the specific program I choose because this is the PT program that is local. But requirements for entrance into this program is you must have a bachelor's degree. You have to complete all prereqs. This varies per school, but for the most part, it's got pretty much of the same core. Usually because of the competitiveness of the school, you need at least 3.5 or higher. No GRE needed. However, in other schools, you probably do need one. 80 observational hours in the field. That's including hospital, clinics, sports clinics, and nursing homes. 3 letters of recommendation. Program costs usually it's going to be around 98,000 to 110,000 for a 3-year program. Definitely not cheap, but because of the job, it eventually becomes worth it. So now I'm going to talk about a little bit of the organizations that's very beneficial to be part of. For anyone who's in the physical therapy field, everyone knows about this organization. It's called the American Physical Therapy Association, or APTA. This field or I'm sorry, this organization is where physical therapists or retired physical therapists or students can come together and communicate, share articles, share ideas about the field. Also, this was developed to help continue to make this profession grow. More into detail about the APTA is a section they have that's called the American Academy of Sports Physical Therapy, or AASPT. Reason I chose this because I do want to start getting into more orthopedics and sports. So this is another organizations that help specific specialized sports physical therapists come again and share ideas, communicate articles to continue to help. people grow. Certifications. One of the biggest certifications in my specialty of physical therapy want to go in that I'm in is the Orthopedic Clinical Specialist, or OCS, through the American Board of Physical Therapy. Sports Certified Specialist, SCS, through the American Board of Physical Therapy Specialties. Having these certifications really helps separate you from other employees wanting a job, or and it just gives the employer a good thought that, okay, this person definitely went out of their way to get their certifications, because it is not required to have, but really is a difficult certification to actually obtain. So those will definitely help. My current qualifications. Right now, I'm currently working in the field of physical therapy as a physical therapist assistant. Having experience in orthopedics, acute and long-term care, or hospital and nursing home, and performance rehabilitation, like in training facilities. Also played sports all my life, so I have playing experience in basketball, wrestling, and taekwondo. Also, one of the biggest things I feel is useful is because of my customer service or communication skills. I have over 10 years in customer service. Speaking of customer service, goes to why I make a good fit. One of the biggest reasons why I feel I make a good fit, because in the field of physical therapy requires much one-on-one time and requires good interpersonal communication skills. Having 10 years of experience in customer service, I feel that I can effortlessly talk with my patients and help build trust in them. Another reason is physical therapy requires passion for the field of the human body. Growing up playing sports, I always curious about how the body moves. With my passion for the field, not only do I want to make my patients better, but also want to continue to learn new things with every single individual. Areas I need to improve on, as no matter how much experience we get, how much we learn, there's always going to be something that we can improve on. For me at this moment, I want to continue to develop my interpersonal communication skills and to be able to connect with every single individual, as different people want different things. In other words, I want to start becoming more versatile. I want to be able to connect with every single person, not just people my age, but old, new, or even babies or pediatrics. Another thing is, I want to continue to learn about the human body by increasing my education by schools, seminars, and meeting new people. Because no matter how much you experience you have, there's always something to learn. And that is the profession I chose, and hopefully one day I will get there.